Hi, I'm Amy Power, the owner of Fed and Full, a personal chef service in Lake Tahoe. I'm here to teach you that cooking delicious food doesn't have to be hard, time-consuming, or expensive. So let's get cooking while saving some dough. Use what you have and what you like. I make a lot because you're gonna make ranch. Better make some ranch. There you have it. If you don't have a barbecue, use the broiler in your oven or a grill pan on your stovetop. There are still ways to save money and eat delicious food. And that gives you freedom. We're gonna get cooking. Onion, serrano peppers, ginger, tomato sauce, tomato paste, coconut milk, garam masala. These meatballs cost me about 75 cents a piece. Way cheaper than eating at a restaurant. And if you see any veggies starting to go bad, pickle it to expand its lifetime. It's such a great way to save. The more appetizing your food looks, the more you'll enjoy your meal.